Hi, I am Debs. Today I have come with a new recipe. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. The recipe I am going to share today is mango shake, which is delicious during summer season. Ingredients required are I have taken 2 ripe mangoes which I will cut and make it 1 cup. Ice, few cashews, cut pistachio, cut almonds, dry coconut powder, cherries, brown sugar 6 tablespoons and 1 cup of cold milk. We are now going to blend it in the mixie. Now I am going to pour the 1 cup of mangoes into the blender, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and cold milk 1 cup, and I will blend it. After blending it, it becomes a thick mixture. Now pour it in the glass. Now after putting some ice, you can put coconut powder dry 1 teaspoon, cut pistachio, chopped almonds, cashew 1 or 2, and cherries. So your mango shake is ready. You can really enjoy the delicious mango shake, which is so thick and rich. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you for watching. Wait for new recipes to be coming soon.